Hey everybody, so just to let you know, we have got here our retail corner. It's a small corner. Retail isn't a big part of what we do. We do retail, and we can get things in generally quite quickly from our suppliers. So if you are looking for something in particular, then obviously just pop us an email and we can generally order it in. We've got a range, I think about sort of 5,000 different products we can get from a couple of our suppliers. So, and like I said, it usually arrives quite quickly anyway. Obviously, I know if you're looking for something immediately, sadly, we like I said, we've only got a small range, a small corner of retail. Our main thing for us really is our services. But like I said, we do sell computers. That's one thing we do is sell computers and monitors, laptops and things like that as well. And obviously all the networking, so Wi-Fi, everything that we do here as well. People sometimes don't realise that we do all the retail aspects, but sometimes it's easier for us because we know what you want. We can ensure that what we sell you is actually what you need, rather than selling something to you which is not fit for purpose, or maybe is unnecessarily priced because you're going for something that's all these gubbins, and you don't need half of it. So we work with you to work out what it is you actually need, and then go from there for you. All right. But yeah, our little retail corner there, which we stock up ever so often. Keyboards and mice and things like that we generally keep in stock at all times. Memory sticks, some accessories, some laptop chargers. We mainly keep in though like the USB-C laptop chargers generally, rather than all the others, because there was so many variations on the market that there's just too much, basically. So we just keep the USB-C ones in, because they're now becoming more and more standard these days, which is brilliant. So it keeps it easy for everybody, basically. All right. We do also do as well. I should show the poster just about. It's obviously backwards in the video, but Lycan PCs is our brand, where we do custom build PC solutions. So we do anything from gaming builds through to professional sort of development builds. Then, so whether or not you're looking to do game development, for example, or it is literally you're just a hardcore gamer, we can do all that for you as well. So you can ping us an email. When it comes to the tech side of it, send an email through to tech. So TECH at abcservice.co.uk. That's tech@abcservice.co.uk. Or just give us a call on 01822 613 154. That's 01822 613 154. And we'll give you a hand with any of your tech needs. Thank you very much.